Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today we try to see invoice search by using the Gemini Pro, that is Gemini Pro Vision. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. So here I have opened the VS Code. You can see it on the screen and import the relevant packages. One is a Streamlit, another one is a pill, and third one is called as an .env, and the last but not least that is called Google Generative AI, that is Gen AI. So these are the things I was importing the packages, and I have created the .env and I have stored my Google API key, and I am using here the first function is configure the access. I am doing the load load underscore env, and I am configuring and I am using the model Gemini Pro Vision. You can see it on the screen, and I'm returning the model. So this is the one of the function. It will be called only once. So that's where I'm using the cache underscore resource, that is st dot cache underscore resource. And the second, the most important function will be the main code, which is getting the input as a model, and I'm creating the header Gemini invoice extract application. And here I have given the upload file. I am uploading a choose a image which is JPEG, PNG or JPG. If the file is not none, we are loading that image into the image variable. You can see it on the screen, and I am showing that image with st.image, and I'm asking the input prompt, what information you want to extract from that one, and I am giving the submit button. Hold on, and we are giving the system prompt. So system prompt saying that you are an expert in understanding the invoice, and you will be receiving and answering the questions related to the invoice. So this is the system prompt. So these things we are handovering to the prompt, and this is the input. Okay, when you submit the button, which is nothing but the here, that is st dot button, and we are taking the image from the uploaded file and converting to the image data by using input image process. So this is the function, and a uploaded file is not none. Uploaded file dot get values we are converting into the byte data, and I'm creating a list inside this one. This is nothing but the dictionary, which is upload file type and data, which I have get from here, and I'm converting into the image part and file. If this is not true, I am returning the no file uploaded. And this information I'm taking into as an here, and model dot generate underscore content. The input is you have given the input prompt is nothing but the system prompt, how it has to be behave, and image data with the index 0 I am passing. And when this response, when I'm getting, I am putting onto here the responses, and here I am writing the response.txt by st dot write. It is a small letter. Yeah, this much is the code, and I'm calling the configure access, returning the model, and the main code is taking this model, and this in turn call the input image process. Without further delay, now let us execute this code. For this one, terminal, and you can run the streamlit. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so streamlit run invoice search.py. This I'm closing, and I'm, and you can see Gemini invoice extract application. So I'm browsing the file invoice. This is the thing I have taken, and you can see the invoice. It has been showing this image. Now this is the input prompt. So now let us see what is the total amount. What is the total amount in the given invoice. Answer the input prompt. The response is 3.872. So you can see it over here. This is the euro, I think. Okay. And now you can see the invoice date 5/3/2020. What is the invoice date? Now let us wait and see the response. What is this? Is 5/3/2020. Now let us ask the VAT number. The VAT number, you can see what is the VAT number. VAT number. Answer. I'm clicking the answer, the input prompt. You can see the prompt. The response is the VAT number is BE083. The rest of the thing. See, you can see BE083. Now you can ask the due date. What is the due date? So 19/3/2020. So this is the due date. I hope Gemini invoice extract applications you have seen the demo. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.